Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to match fonts in Photoshop. If you've ever come across a design, logo, or image with text that just looks perfect, and you've wondered, what font did they use? By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to identify and use that font in your own projects. This is a super handy skill for designers, social media creators, or anyone wanting to keep things visually consistent. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your image in Photoshop. This should be the image that contains the font you want to match. If you're starting with a photo you snapped, maybe of a sign or a magazine cover, just go ahead and drag it into Photoshop, or use the File Open option. Taking a moment here to make sure your image is high resolution will really help. Clearer text means better matching results. Once your image is loaded up, you'll need to select the text you want to identify. For this, grab the rectangular marquee tool. You can find it in the toolbar on the left. It looks like a dotted rectangle. Click and drag to draw a box around the text area. Try to keep your selection as tight as possible, hugging just the letters, but don't worry if it's not pixel perfect. What matters is that you're including all the text you want Photoshop to analyze and not a lot of extra background. It's kind of like outlining a photograph before cropping. It just helps Photoshop focus. Now, let's activate the Match Font feature. With your text selected, go to the top menu bar and choose Type, then Match Font. This is a powerful tool built right into Photoshop, designed specifically for moments like this. It uses Adobe's deep library and some smart recognition to compare the text in your image to thousands of fonts. If this is your first time using it, you might be surprised at how quick and accurate it can be. Once you click Match Font, a box will pop up over your selected text. At this stage, you'll want to adjust the corners of this box to perfectly enclose the font you want to match. Sometimes Photoshop's initial guess is a bit loose, so feel free to grab and drag the handles. The goal here is accuracy. A neat selection will give the software its best chance to identify your font. Take a second to zoom in if you need, and don't worry if this takes a few tries. Practice makes perfect. Now, here comes the fun part, reviewing the matching results. Photoshop will analyze the text within your selection and pop up a list of fonts that match most closely. You'll see two sections, one showing fonts already installed on your computer, and another suggesting similar fonts that are available through Adobe Fonts. If you spot your exact match in the installed list, fantastic. If not, Adobe Fonts is a great backup to expand your options. Don't rush this decision. You can even click on each font to preview how it appears. Sometimes the first suggestion isn't the closest match, so scroll through and compare. Think of this like trying on a few pairs of shoes before deciding which ones fit best. There's no harm taking an extra minute here. When you've found the font you want, simply click to select it, then hit OK. Now you're ready to apply it. Grab the Type tool from the toolbar, click into your canvas, and type with your new font. You'll see right away whether it blends in with your image or stands out in a new design. And that's all there is to it. Matching fonts in Photoshop is super straightforward once you know where to look. If this was helpful, give the video a thumbs up. Drop any questions you have below. I love hearing from you guys and helping out with tricky font issues. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss another design tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy creating.